myself Dr. Purva Thakur, and today at Diana Physio I will be discussing about trigger finger. So trigger finger is a painful condition that makes your thumb or finger lock or catch when you bend them. It can occur in one or more finger at a time, as well as it can occur in one or both of your hands at the same time. If your thumb is involved, it is called trigger thumb. In severe cases, the finger is locked and stuck in a bent position. Coming to its causes, number first is anyone having certain medical conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, diabetes mellitus or gout. Secondly, it is very common in females. Next comes the age factor, like anyone of the age of 40 or above 40 are more prone to have such condition. Lastly, anyone performing the repetitive movements like a pianist or guitarist, they are more susceptible of attaining such condition. Coming to the symptoms, so number one is you will find tender lump at the base of the finger at the palm side of your hand. So let's say if this is the affected finger, here you will find the tender lump. Next is catching, popping and snapping sensation at the time you move your finger. Lastly, you will feel pain in case you are stretching or straightening your finger. Stiffness and locking tends to get worsened by the time of inactivity, like when you wake up in the morning, you will find it is more stiff than usually it is. Coming to its physiotherapy management, once you are done with corticosteroids and NSAIDs medication, number one step is always to go for splinting. So you will apply splint to the affected finger or thumb so as to avoid any activity. As more the activity, more aggravated the condition gets. Second comes your electrical stimulation, ultrasonic therapy or laser therapy. All three of these therapies have been proven very effective in case of trigger finger. Lastly comes your stretching as well as your release techniques. So you will perform stretch and then immediately go for stretching. I will be telling you three basic exercises that you can perform anywhere at home. So number one is cross friction massage. In this, you will apply a little pressure with your other hand. Let's say this is the affected finger. You will perform the circular motions like this on the tender lump that you might feel for like 5 to 10 minutes continuously. Then relax. Immediately after this, perform the stretching. Hold this for 5 to 10 seconds. Then relax. In the last exercise, what you will do is take a rubber band, place it over the other hand, and then perform the extensions. These are called the figure extensions. Perform this movement for like 5 to 10 seconds, then relax, then repeat it for like 5 to 10 times. Always remember to apply hot pack prior to your cross friction massages and ice pack once you are done with your stretchings. So I hope we are clear with the trigger finger. Thank you.